Hi kids, welcome to the Nivedita School online classes. Yes, our subject is maths, class is second. As you all know, is it children? Yes, very good. Chapter number 1, part 5th. Now we are going to explain you exercise number 1.7. Before that, already you know in your previous video you all are watched ascending order and descending order. You all are learn what is ascending order and what is descending order. Will this project I give you to make homework. Is it children's? Yes. Now we shall move. What is next? Next, what we have exercise number 1.7. Ring which is odd and even. Already you know what is odd and what is even number. Yes children. Still once again I will explain you. Even number is nothing but a pair of numbers. See here 2, 2, 2, 2. Is there no? It is a pair. Yes, a pair of numbers is called even numbers which have joint one. See here. Here also 2 is there. Here also 2. These all are called even numbers. And if we are going to mark this one. See here children. If we are going to mark this one. Here 2. These 2. And here we remains 1. So it is called odd number because it is a separate. It is odd one. We have here separate balloon. So that's why it is odd number. And this one is even number. Already I was explain you before. See here, this is flowers. How many flowers you have? Here one pair. This is one pair. And this one is one pair. So it is even number because nothing will remain here. So that's why it is even number. Yes, you should mark like this in your textbook. Okay, children. Now we shall move next. See here what he was given. He was given write all the even numbers between. He is given here numbers. So we have to write in between what is even number. Can you tell me what is even number? Already he was given 16 here. Now next what shall we write here? Yes, very good. We have to write here 18, 20. Can I write and show you? 18, 20 and 22. See, this is even number because this is a pairing number. So, it is even number. Now, you should write this one. Okay, children? This is homework for you. It is very easy, no? Yes, see here. I will show another one. Next, you should try in your home. Okay, children? Yes. Here, what the number is given? 26. So, what you have to write here? 28. 26. After that, 27, 28. After that, 29 and 30. Is it? 27 and 28 both are pair. 29 and 30 is both are pair. Here 31 and 32 is pair. Like this you have to write here. Okay children. Now we shall move next. See here. What is next? Next he was given here odd number. Sorry. Here also he was given write all the even numbers between. The same thing. Yes. Already I was shown in the back. See here what he was given here. The same thing he was given next. Okay, children? This is the answer for you. After that, you have the odd one. Understood? Yes, odd one. What he was given here? 31 and 39. So then, what you have to do? 31 is already given. You have to write here, leave it 32 and 33. See here, 33 is odd, no? 3 is already odd one. I was shown in your previous video also. Here you have to leave 34 and you should write 35. Okay, children? Here 36 you have to leave. Here 37. After that 38. After that 39 it is. See here 39 is was given here. So this is the method to write odd number. Okay, children. Next, see here 33. Is it right? 33, 35 and 37. The same thing. The second one answer also he was given here. So next what is there? How ordinary numbers. Ordinal numbers he was given here. See how cutely they all are standing here. Now here we are going to know the order wise. They all are standing as a order wise, no? Yes, children? See first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, eight, nine, 10. Yes. How we should read this one? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, like this. Okay. Now, these number first, second, third and so on, whatever the order wise they are standing the position, no, that are called ordinal numbers. Understood, children? Yes, these is called ordinal numbers. Yes, very good, children. Now we shall move the next. Yes. You are understood, no? Already in the previous classes also I was explained you. This is the wrong spelling. This is the wrong spelling. What you have to write here? 40. 40. F-O-R-T-Y. 40 is the right spelling. Here 90. N-I-N-T-Y. 90 it is. Yes, children? Correct? Yes. Now next we have fill in the blanks. Is it, children? This is fill in the blanks. The first day of the week is, which one is the first day of the week? When you are going to school, first day. Yes, very good. It's Monday. Yes, it's Monday. Which one? Monday. Monday is the first day. The second month of the year is month. First one is January and second one is February. Yes, very good. The second month of the year is February. The third day of the week is count. Yes, first day is Monday. Second day is, yes, tell me. Tuesday. Yes, very good. The third day is Wednesday. Yes, children, very good. The fourth month of the year is, which one is the fourth month? Come on, tell me. First month is January. Second is February. March. Then it is April. The fourth month of the year is April. Yes, children. Now, watch here. January. This one is, this is wrong. What you have to write here? February. F E B R U A R Y. Yes, very good. The sixth month of the year. Sixth month. Count. First is January, February, March, April, May and June. Yes, very good. June. It is June. June. Now, I think you all are know how to write this chat. Okay, children. Now we shall move next. This one is fill in the blanks. Next, you have to see the position. Where is the R? See here, umbrella. Umbrella. In this umbrella, where is R? Tell me, children. Where is R? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, fourth one is R. So, what you have to write there? Fourth. F O U R T H. Fourth position. It is fourth position. Now, where is P here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. P. We got xylophone. Xylophone in this fourth. We have fifth position is P. F. I. F. T. H. Fifth position. The same thing. I was shown you the answer. Now, this chapter will complete. Okay, children? Thank you so much. Read this, learn in your home, make practice and take care yourself, children. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.